Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine and doing good. Stay at home and be safe. Eat healthy food. Drink lot of water. Don't waste your food. Do not go here and there. Today we are going to see grade 5th grammar part. Singular plural, that's what we are going to see. This singular plural we have learned from smaller class onwards, from first standard onwards we are learning singular plural. Here some rules they have given, that's what we are going to see in this session. We already know singular plural, okay. Lion, lions for example. Book, books. Tree, trees. Pen, pens. Pencil, pencils. Okay. Just we add s to the word to become a plural form. Okay. Here they have given a rule. First rule is, if the word end with f or fe, we have to add ves to the word. Remove that f or fe and we add ves to the word. First one, leaf. The word ended with f. Remove that f and add ves, leaves. Knife, knives. And again, by changing their vowels, second rule, by changing their vowels such as oo to ee, if the word in between, if two vowel letters, for example, tooth, teeth, or en, we have to add en. At the next one, foot, feet, woman, women, man, men. Irregular plurals, that means it will come differently. Child, children. Axe, axen. Mouse, mice. Some nouns are identical in both in singular and the plural forms. Many of these are names of the animals. Sheep, it will come for singular also sheep only, for plural also sheep only. Deer, deer. And add es for some words ending with o. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Look at the picture and tick the correct plural word. Loaf. The word entered with f. So remove that f and add ves. So second one is correct. Second picture is fish. Fishes. Sh. The word entered with sh. So we have to add es. Goose. Geese. Here two vowel words that o. Remove that o and add ee to the word. So geese. Mouse. Mice. Child. Children. Man. Men. Write the plural form. Leaf. Leaves. leaves. Mango. mangoes. Here we are going to see in this this much only singular plural we have seen. Now we are going to see about the tense form. That means here we are going to see that past continuous tense. Already in lower class we have learned present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay. Here we are going to learn the past continuous tense. Okay. The present participle form is used in past continuous tense with auxiliaries was and were. That's what we are going to treat. If it is past continuous, we have to add was or were plus verb plus ing. That's what we are going to write. Okay. For example, I was going to house. For I we use was. For you, we, they. That means second person singular and plural, first person plural and third person plural. For the plural forms we have to add, we have to write WER, where, plural keyword plus verb plus ing. You were going to house, we were going to house, they were going to house. And next he, she, it is a singular form, third person singular form. We have to add was plus verb plus ing. Okay. In the above examples you can see the main action is in present participle form for all the subject and the auxiliary alone changes. Here and that going, 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 it is a past participle form. Okay, sorry, present participle, it will not change, only that auxiliary will change, auxiliaries will change. Was is used for I, he and she, it. Where is used for you, we, they. Here give the correct verb form for the following sentence. I was reading the poem. They is a plural form, so we have to write they were writing the poem. It was going to Delhi. It was going to Delhi. Next one, she was trying a picture. We were eating fruits. He was watching movie. You are making lunch. Let us see when to use past continuous tense. When we have to use that past continuous tense. At some point in the past, I was writing my homework at 5 p.m. yesterday. Yesterday, the action completed yesterday. Okay, I was right. By this time, I was writing. What was your brother doing then? When I was writing my homework, he was watching TV. At the time, what he was doing? He was watching the TV. Next, write what they were doing at 5 o'clock yesterday. My mother, I dash. That means I was playing cricket with my friends. My mother was watching the TV. We were eating mango. My friends were riding their bicycle. Mohan was writing a letter. The bell was ringing loudly. See and write what they were doing. While I was writing, he was sleeping. While the boy was playing, the girl was reading. While my mother was cooking, my father was cutting the vegetables. Next, we are going to see that future continuous. Okay, future continuous. Future continuous means shall or will plus verb plus ing. Shall or will plus be plus verb plus ing. Here also that present participle, that means the word plus ing form will not change. Okay, present participle will not change, only that auxiliary shall be, will be, that's only will change. Okay, I will be going to house. You will be going to house. We will be going to house. They will be going to house. So will be we have to add. In the above sentence, you can see the main action is the present participle form and the auxiliary is will be for all the subjects. Okay, I will be waiting for you. They will be coming. It will be playing. She will be swimming. We will be drinking. He will be doing. You will be taking leave. How to use the future continuous? I will be traveling in a bus by this time tomorrow. Tomorrow the action will be going to complete. So that's what here they have given. My friends will be playing, but I am working here. Uma's family is going on a holiday. Write what they will be doing there. Uma is playing there. Uma is swimming there. Uma is, look at the picture and you have to write it yourself. By yourself you have to write it. Here they have given the past continuous and we have to change into future continuous. She will be waiting for us. They will be going to Coimbatore. Suresh will be playing chess. Only we have to remove that was or were and we have to add will be as it is we have to write. Rahib will be eating breakfast. Prasant will be reading newspaper. Next, change the sentence from future continuous to past continuous. Remove that will be and add was or were. I was speaking to her. Okay, speaking to her. Lucy was getting ready. The train was arriving on second platform. We were sleeping in the terrace. We were sleeping in the terrace. It was raining heavily. In this class, we learned about the singular form and the present continuous and past continuous. Okay. In this class, we learned about the singular form, singular and plural form. Okay.
if it is one thing, we will keep the word as it is. If it is more than one thing, we add yes or es to the word. Some rules we have learned in this class. And again, we learned about the past continuous tense and future continuous tense. For past continuous tense, we use was or were plus verb plus ing form. For future continuous tense, the auxiliary is will be plus verb plus ing form. Here, the present participle will not change, only the auxiliaries will change. And which place we use past continuous and future continuous. That's what we have seen in this class. Watch the video and complete the exercise. Thank you, children.